Viewers, I am Dr. Farrington, homeopathic consultant and have been practicing for more than 23 years, helping individuals cure their ailments through homeopathy by Sehgal method or mind technique. Viewers, welcome to my homeopathic medicine channel. Viewers, today I shall describe and show about Ignatia homeopathic medicine treatment, case and symptom, mind method and mental state. So watch this video carefully to get full information about treatment of ignatia in correct way by Sehgal method or mind technique. Viewers, Dr. M.L. Sehgal said, after camphor, we will examine in what way the manner ignatia needs and asks for aid. Rubric: mind seeking help for computer application. Mind seeking help for. To briefly, camphor is in hell. Rubric: delusion hell in is. Computer application. Delusion hell in is. Camphor wants to pull out of it and is trying to find someone whom she can trust for treatment. Ignatia talk of justice, logic which appeal in mind, rights and duties. In his dictionary, there is no word like gratefulness. If he does a good turn to others, it is out of his sense of moral and social obligation. He will do it with utmost honesty and without accepting any reward or a word of thanks. Actually, if he is thanked, he gets annoyed because he feels that whatever he does was not for the sake of reward. His reaction will be, "What thanks? I have just done my duty." By the same token, at times of real needs, he will accept others to sense his needs of their own records, without his having to ask what he needs. He will never want to reveal his requirements. By taking the initiative in his heart of hearts, he will be annoyed with others, getting it irritated with them, and will be in a bad mood. Rubric: mind irritability, pain during computer application. Mind irritability, pain during. But he would not ask anyone to do him a favor or say he needs their help. Rubric: mind sadness, quiet. Computer application. Mind sadness, quiet. Another rubric: mind grief, silent. Computer application. Mind grief, silent. The kind of remark he will make is, does not he have the sensibility to know what he should do for me, regardless of what or not ideas of his help? His fight is for merit. He feels if he deserves and has already earned for himself the goodwill of others. If things come to him as a matter of natural love and affection without prompting, then only will he accept it. Otherwise he will not. Patient number 1. As a practical example, in the same lady as referred to in the camphor case, were to be behave as an Ignatia person, her tone and style would change. If asked, your husband says you are not taking the medicine regularly. He will reply in very irritated way, Sir, ask my husband. He will be in a better position to tell you about the reason for this. But it is your own responsibility to look after yourself. Glancing towards her husband, she will say, but what about his duty towards me? It is sufficient for him to go to the office and brings home a salary and forget about everything else. He does not care if I live or die. To conclude, the greater part of Ignatia character is covered by the following rubrics. Number 1. Mind irritability, pain during. Computer appetization, mind irritability, pain during. Number 2. Sensitive moral impression 2. Computer appetization, sensitive moral impression 2. Number 3. Injustice cannot support. Computer appetization, injustice cannot support. Number 4. Mind disconcerted. Computer appetization, mind disconcerted. Number 5. Mind sadness quiet. Computer appetization, mind sadness quiet. Number 6. Mind grief silent. Computer appetization, mind grief silent. In the main, there are two supporting symptoms of Ignatia. The first is number 1, irritability, pain during, which means one is annoyed, unhappy when anything pains him. The pain may be physical because of elements, or it may be mental, as for example, when one is sensitive to moral impression, anything which according to him is moral wrong annoys him, or in other word cases him pain. Likewise, if anything does is not justified, if someone's action or logic is unreasonable, it is not acceptable to him and he finds it painful. Number 2, the second is disconcerted. This is a stage where out of anyone one feels like giving up the effort to stress his point because he has the impression that it is useless to pursue further, or because of his failing powers, energy, or is left with no hope of success. According to him, the opposition is too rigid to accept reason, or the task is too arduous to overcome. Therefore, he adopts an attitude of silence and quietude. He is sad and grief-ridden, but he does not forget the event. Viewers, thank you for watching my video. For regular update, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.